Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to add and how to remove the shortcut to eject water from the speaker function of our phone to the quick settings in Realme 14x phone. So how to access quick settings? On the main screen we need to, on the right side of the screen, we need to swipe top to bottom and here they are. Now we need to tap the pencil icon and at the bottom we have a list of available shortcuts. So we are looking for our eject water option. Here it is. We need to tap it once. When we back out, it is now available to us. How to remove this shortcut? The same way. We need to tap the pencil icon first, then we need to tap the eject water function shortcut, and when we go back, the shortcut has been removed. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.